This is the photo reference I'm using for my painting today, and you'll find that my style for building my underpainting is loose brushwork. And what I find is that the end result in the final painting is a painting that vibrates with luminosity. So follow along here as I show you my demonstration using acrylic paint. I do like to use the soft body acrylic paint, and I'll have my supply list below the video in the description area. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. During the entire painting process, I do wipe my brush off frequently, rinse it in water, wipe it again on the paper towel, and pick up new color. This is important if you want to keep your colors fresh. If you would like to see more of my paintings and drawings, please visit my website. The link is in the description area below the video, janetferraro.com, as well as my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching. This is the finished painting, and I will have part 2 to this video series listed in the description area below this video.